Okay, boys and girls, it's time to look at our math. We're on chapter 7.4, and today we're going to work with the numbers 13 and 14. So we're starting here on page 273, and first we are asked to count the cubes, trace the number 13, and trace the word 13. Then you're going to do the exact same 3 steps for 14. Okay? When you're done with that, we're turning the page. Now we're working with just the number 13. So they are showing us at the top here how we're going to use our 10 frame to show 13. We are filling in the 10 frame all 10 spots, and because the number is 13, we need 3 extra on the outside. You're going to count and trace. Take your time with tracing. A lot of us are still making 3s backwards, so really pay attention when we're tracing here, okay? Then you are going to count how many cubes you have all together. You're going to put that number on the line, and then you're going to use this blue set to fill in down here. So we know our number is 13. I first need to see how many 10s I have, how many in the 10 frame. I have 10 in the 10 frame. It is completely filled. So I'm going to put 10 on my first line, and then I have to see how many are outside that 10 frame, and that number goes right here. I'm going to count. I see that I have 3 on the outside, so I'm going to put that number down here. Read this problem with me. 10 plus 3 equals 13. You're going to do the exact same process for the number 14, okay? I'm not going to show you because I want you to be counting and making the numbers on your own for 14. Then we're going to turn the page. And again, similar to the math that we did yesterday, you are going to pick a number on the side, 12, 13, or 14. For me, I'm going to pick 14, and I'm going to circle it. Then you have to count your flowers. Whatever number you picked, you have to add flowers to the bottom to make the picture match the number that you chose, okay? Down here in this space, you're going to draw 14 of any object. If you want to keep it simple and make circles or triangles, that's fine. You're going to make 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have 14. You're going to circle 10 of them. Almost like you're making your very own 10 frame. You have 10, and then you have how many left over? 14 equals 10 plus what? Put that number there, and then read this problem to somebody at home, okay? So that's how we do chapter 7.4. I'm also going to include a worksheet for you guys. If mom or dad are able, ask them to print out the worksheet, and you are going to take the numbers 13 and 14, one worksheet for the number 13, one worksheet for the number 14. You are going to build it. There's going to be some coloring. There's going to be a bit of counting. You're going to practice writing that number. Extra practice for 13 and 14, okay? So if you can, when you get a chance, print that out and fill that. Do that in addition to 7.4. Really make sure that we're comfortable with the numbers 13 and 14. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. Great job, and keep up the hard work.